Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting hardware and sign-in out of the way. Plug or pair both controllers and sign a second profile into the Ps4. A guest works if you don't have another PSN ID. Once done, launch Black Ops 6 from the home screen and make sure you're not in an online match or matchmaking queue. Doing this prevents the game from forcing single-player or online-only modes. Now select Local Play from the main menu to begin the split-screen flow. Once you're in Local Play, choose the mode that supports 2 players. Campaign co-op and local multiplayer are the only way to get split screen. The host creates the lobby and configures settings like maps, score limit, and team assignment. Then instruct player 2 to press the PS button and sign in. After that, they must press the on-screen join or confirm prompt. When both avatars appear in the lobby preview, you're ready to launch. Don't start until both players show as active. Press start to load the match. Black Ops 6 will switch to split-screen layout automatically when 2 local players are present. If the screen stays single-player, make sure the second controller is assigned to an active account and not in spectator mode. Press PS and rejoin the lobby. If that fails, back out to the main menu, remove and re-add the second player, or restart the game. As a final fix, reboot the Ps4. This clears controller glitches and forces proper split-screen activation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.